So how do I use Things 3? So of course Things 3 is a hugely popular app and it's getting super popular right now with a ton of YouTubers out there. I've been using the app for more than 4 years, so I think I've been in the lead when it comes to Things 3, and today I want to share with you how I use Things 3, why I use it, and the setup as well on my Things 3. So let's get started. So of course, one of the big things that I love right from the start when I open up the app is the design of the app. I love how developers just made it super simple to look at. I like the small little icon designs. I just like everything in the look and feel as well of the application. So how I use Things 3 in my setup. So mostly I just create what Things 3 calls areas. So areas of course are these little blocks right here that could quickly just open up and have areas of certain things so that I have everything organized within the app. So I have of course, like for example, I have my quick YouTube video idea. So here's where I write down all my video ideas that I have coming so that in the future when I want to make a YouTube video, I could come back here and see what type of YouTube video I want to make and talk about. If I don't have any ideas at that time right there, I just come back to my ideas here and see what type of videos I want to make. And so yeah, I just like making my areas here of course, and of course you can make your areas quickly just by clicking on the plus add there. So I could click a new area or a new project of course, or a new to do. So like I said, my areas are like my sections where I just keep everything organized like that. I always know where everything is, and I have everything organized of how I like it and how I can use it as well, and just know where everything is inside the app. Next, of course, is the to-do or the upcoming area. So this one of my favorite things about Things 3 is that, of course, you have the option to add your calendar. So, of course, like if we go to settings, then we could go to calendar events and have it turned on and then done. So if I go to upcoming again, I could quickly see, of course, the holidays of like here in Canada. And then if I have any big things that I want to do, then I could quickly see my upcoming schedule as well. But one of my favorite things about Things 3 as well is the logbook area. And I think the logbook area, I really like this part about the app, is that you get to see, of course, how busy you were every single month and how many things you did as well, which is always very important to see. And it's just really nice to look back and see of all those check marks of all your to-dos that you checked off throughout that month. So yeah, I just really like going back and seeing, you know what, I did a lot that month. So yeah, just a really cool thing. So another thing, of course, about the application is the widgets, of course, in the app. It's a fantastic widgets on the iPhone. And of course, so if we go into the widget area right here, we're going to see that one of my favorite things about the widget is that you can actually add your plus button of where you want to be directed to add your new to-do in the widget. So if I open the plus sign right here, I could quickly just open up to my YouTube TikTok page here. So if I have a video idea that I want to make, then I could quickly write down my to-do of the idea and just add it quickly to this area of the app. So that's pretty much how I use Things 3. It's pretty simple. It might not be the intended way that the developer created the app for, but it's the way that I found works for me, which is really important. And of course is what matters the most, is that I'm using the app on the way that like I found useful for me. So why do I use and keep coming back to Things 3? So this is a very interesting question. So I always try out new to-do apps out there. I like staying up to date, seeing what's out there in the app store. Maybe something might be better. But for some reason, I've been using this app for more than 5 years and I just keep coming back to the app. And I just don't know why I just keep coming back. I guess I just have a rhythm already that just works for me. And so that's why I just like using this application a lot on the iPhone 13 mini. So that's pretty much it on how I use Things 3 on my iPhone 13 mini, how I get a lot of stuff done when it comes to my to-dos, when it comes to my YouTube schedule and everything. And so I hope this gave you a little bit of insight of my Things 3 setup and productivity. I hope you enjoyed this type of video. If you do enjoy this type of video, it'd be really cool if you guys will hit the subscribe button, hit the like button as well, so that other people could find this video and maybe it'd be useful for them. So that's pretty much it, and thank you for watching.